Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the Ps5 ready for web access. Sign into your PlayStation Network account, then install any pending system updates so features work predictably. Once done, attach a USB keyboard or pair your DualSense controller to speed typing. A keyboard reduces errors and saves time. Make sure you know your Google account credentials, email, and password, because you'll sign in to sync search history and personalization. This preparation prevents interruptions and lets you move straight into the browser workflow. Now open the Ps5 web browser. Use an in-game browser link or access the media/player trick that launches the browser, then focus the address bar. Type Google. And press Enter. Use the keyboard for speed because controller navigation is slower and less precise. When the Google page loads, sign into your Google account so searches, suggestions, and saved passwords sync. Make sure the browser's zoom and text size are readable. Adjust with the controller if elements appear too small. With Google open, type queries or use voice typing where available. Open links in new tabs to keep results accessible, and use Google apps like Maps, Images, and Translate for extra functionality. You'll want to sign in to retain search history and saved settings across sessions. If a page won't load or Chrome-like features act odd, clear the browser cache and cookies, restart the Ps5, and confirm network settings. That sequence fixes most connection or rendering problems and gets you back to browsing quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.